Good morning, everyone. This is Iosif, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 7th of August. As was widely expected, RBA remained on hold, keeping interest rates at plus 1.50%. The accompanying statement had a neutral to dovish tone, keeping the same arguments more or less as in the previous decision. Dovish comments included that wages growth remains low and that headline CPI rate to be lower than earlier expected in 2018. However, on the bright side, inflation is forecasted to accelerate more in 2019-20 than what was previously expected. AUDUSD treated the decision as a non-event, as volatility remained low and the pair kept its sideways movement. AUDUSD continued its sideways movement yesterday between the 0.7410 resistance level and the 0.7370 support line. As volatility seems to remain low, we maintain our sideways bias for today, and the pair could be more USD-led. Technically, it would be evident that the RSI indicator in the 4-hour chart remains near the reading of 50, implying a rather indecisive market. Should the traders favor AUD long positions, we could see the pair breaking the 0.7410 resistance line and aim for the 0.7440 resistance level. On the flip side, should traders favor AUD short positions, we could see the pair breaking the 0.7370 support line and aim for the 0.7345 support area. On other news, the US dollar strengthened against a number of currencies while remained stable against others yesterday. As per analysts, the USD is supported by trade tensions as the US economy seems to be in a better position to handle protectionism. However, question marks arise if US economic growth starts to slow down because of tariffs or due to a fading effect of past tax cuts. Media reports state that there is still a lot of uncertainty about tariffs and how bad it can get. However, the issue may have started to lose steam. Should there be further headlines on tariffs, we could see volatility rising. EURUSD remained relatively stable yesterday between the 1.1580 resistance line and the 1.1510 support line. Some bearish tendencies occurred as Germany's industrial orders growth rate for June dropped more than expected, but corrected later on and continued its sideways movement. Technically, it should be noted that the pair has clearly broken the downward trend line incepted since the peak of the 31st of July. Hence, we'll lift our bearish bias for a sideways movement. Should the bear's direction be possessed by the bulls, we could see the pair breaking the 1.1580 resistance line and aim for the 1.1640 resistance hurdle, while should the bears dictate the pair's direction, we could see it breaking the 1.1510 support line and aim for the 1.1445 support barrier. In today's other economic highlights in the European session, we'd get Germany's industrial output growth rate for June, as well as trade balance figure for June. In the American session, we get from the US the number of JOLTS job openings for June and the AP weekly crude oil stocks figure, while from Canada we get the IV PMI for July. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Iosif from IronFX wishing you solid trading.